In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your resume on LinkedIn if you want recruiters and hiring managers to see your most current experience. Keeping your resume updated on LinkedIn is a smart habit. The good news is that the process is simple once you know where to look. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along in just a few minutes. First, go to your LinkedIn profile dashboard. Make sure you're signed into the correct account before you begin, since any changes you make will apply to that profile. Starting from your main LinkedIn page makes it easier to navigate through the settings without getting lost. Once you're on LinkedIn, click on the Me drop-down near the top of the screen. This menu gives you access to your account-related options, including profile tools and privacy settings. If you don't immediately see it, look along the top navigation bar where your profile icon appears. From that drop-down menu, click on Settings and Privacy. This is where LinkedIn stores the controls related to your account, visibility, and personal data. Since resumes are tied to job applications and saved documents, this is the section you'll need. Next, click on the Data Privacy tab in the left-hand column. This area contains settings related to how your information is stored and used on the platform. It may not sound like the obvious place to update a resume, but this is where LinkedIn keeps the resume upload and application data settings. After that, click on Resumes and Job Applications Data. This section is specifically for documents you've uploaded for job searching and applications on LinkedIn. If you've previously uploaded older versions of your resume, you may also be able to review what's already there before adding a new one. Now click on Upload Resume. This will open the option to add a resume file from your computer or device. Before uploading, it's a good idea to double-check that your resume is the final version you want to use, with updated work history, skills, and formatting. Then select the resume file from your device. Choose the correct file carefully so you don't accidentally upload an outdated version. Once selected, LinkedIn will attach that resume to your account's job application settings. And that's it. Your updated resume is now available in LinkedIn's resume and application area. As a quick tip, it's a good idea to name your file clearly so it's easy to identify later. Keeping this document current can save time when applying for jobs and help ensure you're always putting your best, most accurate information forward.